This is the 7-segment display that I'll be using in today's tutorial. This is a common anode 7-segment display. If you want to know whether your 7-segment display is a common anode or a common cathode, you grab a multimeter and you go to test diode. The 7-segment display has 5 pins on each side, so in total with 10 pins. So on this side with 5 pins, 1 2 3 4 5, that's the pin 6. Pin 6 is here. Pin 7 8 9 10, like so. So the middle pin on each side is the common. So in my case is the common anode. So if I connect the red LED to the middle pin, so the middle pin here is the pin 3 is the common. Pin 8 it's also the common pin. So and for example, for instance, I'm going to connect the black LED to pin, let's say pin 1. Pin 1 is the letter E. Okay. The LED turns on if I connect it to pin 2, like so. So the letter D turns on. D is the pin 2. So so we say that this is a common anode 7-segment display, because if I put the red LED here and the black LED here, so the letter E doesn't turn on, because that's a common anode 7-segment display. So this is with 8 LEDs. Okay, 8 LEDs. One again starts from letter A. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 8 is the circle, something like that. Okay, that's the DP. Okay, pin 5. So with 8 LEDs, and I'm going. So the pin 1 is the letter letter E. Pin 2 is D. Okay, D. Pin 4. Pin 4 is C. Pin 5 is the DP. Okay, so pin 6 is the letter B. pin 7 is A, pin 8 is the common, pin 9 is F, pin 10 here is the letter G. Okay guys, so now I'm going to connect it to Arduino Uno. So let me connect it on this breadboard. So here with 7 cables, I mean 8 with a common, okay, the common, the pin 3. So with 8 cables, and the first cable is starting on my right side is the letter, let me show you, is the letter A. Okay, that's B, C, D, E, I think E, yeah, E, that's F, and the letter G. Okay, so we're going to count from 0 to 9 using registers. So now I'm going to go ahead and connect. We're gonna be using pins from 0 to 6. Okay, so I don't know if it is like that. No, let me switch. So pin 0, it's going to be the letter A. Pin 1, it's going to be B. Pin 2 will be C. Pin let's say pin 3 is going to be for I mean A, B, C, okay, A, B, C, D. Okay, so pin 4 is going to be, I think, A. I don't know. A, yeah. Pin 5 is going to be F. Pin 6 is going to be G. Okay, guys, and the common, we connect it to 5 volts of the Arduino Uno through this 200 ohm resistor. So that's our diagram. If you want, this is pin 1, pin 0. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the sketch for today's tutorial. Now if you want to turn on one of the LEDs, you have to give to it 0 volts. Why 0 volts? because that's a common anode 7 segment display. So let's see the sketch. So we are using registers in today's video. So that's the DDRD register that says the pins 0 to up to 6 output pins, and the port D is the port that is binded to pin 0 from 7. So that's the number 0, that's the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay, so we are counting from 0 to 9. So now we go on tools so that we can pick our board, that Arduino Uno, and the port let me see, port with a problem here that I'm going to solve this. I think everything is okay right now. And now we send the program. Okay, so yeah, it's compiling. So great, we did it. So we can see that it's counting from 0 to 9, 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's great, that's cool. So guys, thank you so much, and I see you in the next video.